The next one that I get is, can you give me some tips on time management? So a lot of agents say, you know, I'm working, I'm doing 40, 50, 60 hours a week. I'm not really closing a lot of deals. One of the best things you can do is get control of your email box. You've got to unsubscribe from all of that crap that's coming to you every day. If you go ahead and open that email and you scroll to the bottom, to be spam compliant, they have to have an unsubscribe link in there. It's a one-click unsubscribe. They're not allowed to email to you anymore. That's a spam policy. So go through, spend 20 minutes every morning, and you'll almost start to look at your email as a fortress, right? I'm not letting them in. You're out of here. You're out of here. You're out of here. You should be getting focused on the things you want to implement so that you don't have what we call SOS. SOS for real estate agents is shiny object syndrome. And if you suffer from shiny object syndrome, you want to work on a couple of things, and then all of a sudden you're stuck over here. I got to get on this webinar. I got to check this out. Well, here's some signs they have that light up in the middle of the night and they glow in the dark. That's pretty cool. Let me forward that to my friends. If you're doing all of that crap, it's keeping you from making money. If you want to get to where you've got a good time management position, you've got to go with door number 8, which is working off of a daily marketing agenda and understanding what you can do to keep track of your time and to focus on those dollar productive activities.
Hey, hopefully you enjoyed that video and it's been helpful for you. Do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get information on more videos as they become available, and also check out the description below this video so you can see more links that'll be helpful for your business.